We'll be replacing the Raymarine AXIOM 12 chart plotter currently installed on our NC37 with an AXIOM 12 Pro RVX. With the AXIOM Pro RVX, we can take advantage of the 3D sonar transducer installed, and the integrated rotary knob makes the camera much easier to operate. In the cockpit, space for the slightly larger Pro version of the Raymarine AXIOM is limited, but if we have measured correctly, it should fit. To dismantle the AXIOM, the rear casing must be removed. For this, we need a Torx screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver to remove the caps of the screws. We start by carefully taking off the screw caps, then loosen the screws. Once unscrewed, the panel can be removed. It may be necessary to disconnect cables in order to remove the cover completely. Accessing the screws of the rear mounting brackets and loosening them, as well as the connection cables, is easy thanks to the tidy cable routing. The AXIOM 12 mounting brackets and power data cable cannot be used for the AXIOM 12 Pro model. After loosening the two mounting brackets and cables, we can take out the AXIOM 12. To prevent damaging the cables running in the cockpit during sawing, loosen the cable ties using the screwdriver and secure the cables slightly to the side. To prepare the cutout, you will need an installation template, cardboard and masking tape. The AXIOM Pro protective cover can be used as a rough guide. The first step is to mask off the installation surface. The tape helps to mark out the cutout and protect the surface. Roughly transfer the outer dimensions of the unit onto the cardboard template using the AXIOM 12 Pro protective cover. Then cut out the area inside. Attach the template to the control station using masking tape to protect the surface and instruments. Mark the center of the cutout as a reference point and fix the template over the existing cutout. To install the new chart plotter, you will need a jigsaw as well as a battery-powered screwdriver with appropriate drill bits to enlarge the cutout to the required size. Make sure you use the right saw blade. Never use a wood blade on carbon fiber laminate. We recommend for carbon fiber composites special blades. Use a vacuum cleaner to collect any sawdust from inside and outside and avoid getting the floor or furniture dirty. When you have finished cutting, remove the template and the adhesive tape and wipe the surface clean of dust. The moment of truth. The new plotter can now be inserted into the cutout. To fix the plotter, 4 holes must be drilled for the screws that will hold it in place. These are tightened with a nut at the back. The last step is to fit the cover frames and connect the power and data cables.